Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to pay with PayPal from balance instead of credit card. So let's get started by going to Safari and search for paypal.com. And if you're already there, then you can now log in your details to continue. So we are now on paypal.com and just stop and log in and enter your email and your password to continue. So this is now your PayPal app from the browser, and let's see how to use our balance for paying. So this is our PayPal balance. So let's just tap on it and you'll be able to see this end wherein you can see your PayPal balance. Just tap on it and scroll down a bit. So here you have an option if you prefer when paying online. If you prefer paying PayPal balance online, then you can just tap set as preferred. So when you tap set as preferred, it means that you're allowing that anything that you buy online will be deducted from your PayPal balance instead of deducting to your credit card. So here, as you can see, we have the green check mark. It means that you preferred paying through your PayPal balance in all your shops or any online activities. So also take note that PayPal is having fees when it comes to online transactions. So it's best if you have an extra funds from your PayPal balance. So that's it. If you find this helpful, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.